Okay, let's read our first piece today called Predicting the Weather. Before leaving for work or school in the morning, you can watch the news to hear the weather forecast. A weather forecast tells us what the weather will be like for the day. Meteorologists are scientists who study information from computers and satellites to predict the weather. A satellite moves around the Earth every 24 hours. It takes pictures of the Earth. The pictures show if a storm is coming. This information includes cloud patterns, air movement, ground and sea temperatures. Satellites can help predict major storms like hurricanes by gathering pictures and data. They use radar to tell where the water is in the air. By using a radar, they can predict whether there will be rain, snow, sleet, or hail. They can also predict the location or place where the water will fall. Scientists use a rain gauge to measure how much rain has fallen. Meteorologists also use weather graphs to communicate and to collect data. These graphs can show the weather over a few days or a few years. Meteorologists often predict the weather by looking at the data from year to year. They can also show a way to compare data from season to season.